Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, I'm inviting you inside our home for a farmhouse Easter decorating ideas tour filled with cozy rustic charm and soft neutral spring touches. If you love vintage finds, weathered wood, and a calm, welcoming atmosphere, you're in the right place. This Easter, I focused on layering natural textures, muted tones, and meaningful details that celebrate the beauty of the season without overwhelming the space. For this year's Easter decor, I chose a gentle neutral palette inspired by early spring mornings. Soft whites, warm beiges, light taupes, and hints of sage green create a serene foundation throughout the home. Instead of bold pastels, I leaned into subtle tones that complement rustic wood finishes and vintage accents. This approach keeps the space feeling airy, cohesive, and timeless while still honoring the joyful spirit of Easter. As we step into the entryway, you'll notice a simple grapevine wreath adorned with dried florals and a linen ribbon. A distressed wooden bench is styled with textured throw pillows and a woven basket filled with faux eggs in muted shades. This small vignette sets the tone for the rest of the house, welcoming, understated, and thoughtfully curated for the season of renewal. In the living room, layering is everything. I combined chunky knit throws, linen pillow covers, and soft cotton slipcovers to create depth and comfort. On the coffee table, a wooden tray holds ceramic bunnies, pillar candles, and a small arrangement of eucalyptus. The mix of natural materials and vintage-inspired pieces brings warmth to the space while maintaining that clean, farmhouse aesthetic. The mantle is one of my favorite areas to decorate for seasonal transitions. This year, I styled it with a simple greenery garland intertwined with twine-wrapped wooden beads. A pair of antique candle holders frame a neutral Easter sign, while small white ceramic rabbits add a subtle festive touch. The key was balance, keeping it light and organic without cluttering the visual space. Every farmhouse home has those little cozy corners, and Easter is the perfect time to refresh them. In one reading nook, I placed a small wooden stool topped with a nest filled with speckled eggs. A vintage-inspired lamp and a stack of old books complete the look. These quiet details make the home feel layered and lived in, adding personality to even the smallest spaces. Moving into the dining room, the table is styled for a relaxed Easter gathering. A neutral linen table runner stretches down the center, layered with a mix of ceramic vases filled with baby's breath and dried stems. Each place setting features simple white plates, woven chargers, and cloth napkins tied with twine and a sprig of greenery. The result is elegant yet effortless. For the centerpiece, I avoided anything too elaborate. Instead, I grouped different heights of candles with a rustic wooden dough bowl filled with moss and neutral eggs. The combination of candlelight and natural textures creates a cozy glow, especially during evening meals. It's a reminder that farmhouse decorating is about simplicity and warmth rather than perfection. In the kitchen, small seasonal swaps make a big difference. I replaced everyday dish towels with soft linen ones in light spring tones. On open shelves, I styled white pitchers with fresh greenery and added a subtle bunny figurine near the cookbooks. Even a bowl of fresh lemons on the counter adds a bright yet natural pop that complements the neutral Easter theme. Open shelving is a wonderful place to incorporate Easter decor without overwhelming the room. I mixed everyday dishes with seasonal accents like woven baskets and small ceramic eggs. By keeping the color palette consistent, everything blends seamlessly. The goal was to make the decor feel like an extension of our home rather than something temporary or overly themed. Although we don't typically go all out in the bedroom for Easter, I love adding subtle touches of spring. Crisp white bedding layered with a light quilt and a textured throw creates a fresh base. On the nightstand, a small vase with delicate blooms brings life into the space. These simple changes make the room feel renewed and in tune with the season. One of the best farmhouse Easter decorating ideas is to incorporate natural elements wherever possible. Think branches in large vases, woven textures, raw wood, and soft greenery. These materials reflect the beauty of spring and align perfectly with rustic vintage style. They also add authenticity and warmth that synthetic or overly colorful decor sometimes lacks. Vintage pieces truly elevate farmhouse Easter decor. I love using antique crocks, old wooden crates, and weathered picture frames as part of my styling. These items tell a story and add depth to the overall design. Mixing them with soft spring accents creates a beautiful contrast between old and new, honoring the heritage of farmhouse living. Beyond the decor itself, atmosphere plays a huge role. Soft lighting from candles and lamps, gentle background music, and the scent of fresh flowers or baked goods all contribute to a welcoming environment. Farmhouse style is not just about how things look, but how they feel. Easter becomes more meaningful when the space encourages connection and comfort. One important lesson I've learned over the years is that less truly can be more. Rather than filling every surface, I focus on intentional styling. A few well-chosen pieces have more impact than an abundance of decor. This minimalist yet cozy approach keeps the home feeling calm and authentic, allowing each detail to shine. As we wrap up this cozy rustic neutral spring home tour, I hope you feel inspired to bring simple farmhouse Easter decorating ideas into your own space. Whether it's a small vignette, a refreshed table setting, or just a touch of greenery, every detail can help celebrate the beauty of the season. Thank you for joining me today, and may your home be filled with warmth, renewal, and the gentle joy of Easter.